Good morning, May 3, 2024. Ito ang sa likod ng bahay ni Emily. Garden. Mango. Lemongrass. Saluyot. Saluyot. Kamote. Saluyot. Saluyot. Kamote. Saluyot, kamote. Saluyot and kamote. Then that's the atis, kalamansi, guyabano, kalamansi, kamote, guyabano, avocado, atis, okra, kamote, atis, kamote, kamatis, malunggay, saluyot, kamote, sili, okra, sili sa likod, sitaw, green beans, saka lemongrass. Ayan, may bunga na yun. Gumagapang na to. Okay, that's it. Maraming kalat. Is the carrier. What's inside the carrier? Oh, our tools, gardening stuff, barbecue. Ayan. 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 Yan ang carrier. Oh my God. Ayan ang likod. Likod. Thank you so much.